So hello everyone, I'm just going to show you how to set up a activity timer for a green room using vMix. This will be the view for your panelist in Zoom or vMix call. But the ones I have here is for Zoom setup. I've custom built this with Zoom Beats so we can see and they can see um, what pin in, in what pin they are in, then the segment timer, then the activator evaluation, which is will be shown while then detect the message. Then here, the zoom audio is put on here. So this is a two function. So once I hit the hotkey for zoom audio to go on here, this will change from this reset to this. So you can see here, I've pressed one more. You can see it's off air. So you can see in this input. So you can see in this input changes. So the I'll be showing is the active video. This is a script from Xtreme Media, so it's a helpful that they made this. Thank you guys. Then I'll show you how the active video timer works. Let's see. So let me start the script first. You can see here in my program panel, I have at 10 minutes. So you can see here in multi-view is a 10-minute timer. So once I play it, we'll follow the active playback time here. This input here is the text input from vMix. So as you can see, moves. So I think if this will change its color once in 30 seconds, I think 35, something like that, or 30. Okay. Once the video hits 30 seconds left, it will change its color to red, which means the video is ending. So go to title, then text HD, then go to title. Erase this. After that, just leave that. So press X. Make sure that your timer is renamed to active VPR timer or whatever you call it. Timer. Let's say playback timer that Xtreme. And after that, make sure to remember that name. Then once we go to the script, we go down at the very bottom. Then once you see this part, make sure all this that has XAML will be replaced to what input you name in vMix. So let's say I renamed it playback time. So just select income preset. So do 1, 2, 3. Oh, forgot the L. 2, 3, 4, 5. Forgot the L. Make sure you got the L correctly. Once you're done with that, Control A, copy. After that, go to vMix, settings, scripting, then press add. It's okay if you can name your script playback active timer. Control V, save. So once I start this should be changed from before to this. So if I hit this play button, it will follow this. Just simple as that. So you can adjust the font font size. There. Then you can lay out it in your custom movie. So here's your activity timer for your custom movie for live shows. I hope this helps. Thank you.